Hi, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about my small weekend getaway. I went to Tapora, which is in Mahabaleshwar, and also Tapora is called as Mini Kashmir. And if you guys are planning to go to Tapora, a small reminder, please download a offline map. It's 12 in the afternoon. I reached my hotel and I am really very excited to show you guys what I did in these 2 days in Tapura.
हेलो। तो आज का वीडियो होने वाला है ये ब्यूटीफुल प्रॉपर्टी पे जो है मेरे पीछे, एंड मैं आज आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ मैं क्या क्या चीज़ें करने वाली हूँ। और ये मेरा पहला सोलो ट्रिप है और दिस इज़ रियली स्पॉन्टेनियस, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमेजिंग है। एंड मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ इस प्रॉपर्टी में क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं और मैं क्या क्या करने वाली हूँ। जैसे कि मैं आज बहुत ज़्यादा हैपनिंग करने वाली हूँ जो मैंने मेरी लाइफ में कभी नहीं किया है, दैट इज़ कायाकिंग। मैंने कायाक कभी नहीं चलाई है एंड दिस इज़ माई फर्स्ट एवर टाइम दैट आई एम गोइंग टू राइड अ कायाक। So for now, we'll go and we'll have some lunch, and I'll catch you guys later, alligator.
So, this is my lunch. For the lunch, they gave me a chicken gravy platter, and I mean, look at this view. This eating food with this view is to die for. I mean, crazy. So I'll give you a nice small tour of this hotel. So basically, these are the stairs you have to go up, and straight there is a dining area. And I'll give you a small tour of my room also. So this is a passage where if you guys want to chill outside of your room or you want to have food outside your room, so you can chill here. And I'll take you inside my room. So this was my room. So they gave me 2 beds. Yes. And next to my room there was a dormitory hall, and like if you guys are coming and you want to stay, you don't want to take a room, and you can stay here.
फाइनली 4:30 बज गए और मैं निकली हूँ कायाकिंग के लिए। और यहाँ से शायद 1-2 मिनट का वॉक है और वो वॉक के बाद मैं सारी वाटर एक्टिविटीज़ करने वाली हूँ। वाटर एक्टिविटीज़ इज़ माई फेवरेट थिंग। सो यस। Trust me, it was all sunny 15 minutes before, and now it's raining. Because of rain, कुछ शूट करने नहीं मिला, ना कायाक करने मिला। अब जा रही हूँ वापस रूम में। बारिश तो रुकने नहीं आती है। लेट्स सी, शायद कल ही करना पड़ेगा कायाक।
They did a nice setup of barbecue, and I ate my chicken at the night, and that's how I ended my day.
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग। और अभी बज रहे हैं 8 और मैं अभी जाने वाली हूँ कायाकिंग और बोटिंग के लिए, बिकॉज़ कल करने नहीं मिला। बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही थी, तो हमें वापस हमारी होटल रूम में आना पड़ा। तो अभी जाने वाले हैं और अभी करेंगे कायाकिंग और बोटिंग, और उसके बाद में जाने वाले हैं साइट सीइंग पे। साइट सीइंग वॉज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन माई पैक, बट kayaking and boating was included. If you are planning to come here and you want to go for sightseeing or something, then you have like वहाँ पर weekly charges है. Weekdays में it's like 3,000 and on weekends it's 3,500.
After eating my breakfast, I started moving towards the lake and I sat on the board. My ride just got started. I was so happy while seeing those small little islands. I was just looking around and enjoying the view. This view right here is the meeting point of river Koyna and Sorshi. After the long boat ride, I finally reached the island. On the distance of few footsteps, there is a peaceful temple which is quite known here. Some new friends.
अभी हो गया है साइट सीइंग करके, वापस जा रहे हैं बोट पे।
First, I did pedal boating. Then, I did kayaking. I had so much fun on the speedboat. After all those activities, I really got tired. So I completed my day at the bonfire.
This was the first time I traveled alone. Also, this place is super safe, and the hospitality of this hotel is awesome. The rooms were super clean. Also, this place got a different vibe. If you guys are planning to come here, make sure कि यहाँ पर कोई भी सिम को नेटवर्क नहीं है, सिर्फ BSNL को नेटवर्क है। और yes, this hotel got a limited Wi-Fi. Also, in case of any emergency, if you want to make a call, then they got a landline here, so you can make a call also. The things they provide you in this package, I'll display it on the screen.
The only word that can define my little getaway is surreal. This trip was a detoxification from the COVID situations. Also, I planned this trip before all this COVID situations. So, yes. Thank you for watching my video.